Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, where you can get your fix. Your host is me, Van Winkle Ripple. I hope you had a fantastic, it's April 7th Monday, dude. What an amazing way to begin the year with a first quarter. Holy, and it hasn't been finished. It doesn't appear to be finished yet. We'll dissect everything in this episode. All we need to do is take a deep breath, look away, go outdoors, and touch some grass. We'll let you know the strategy, what we're doing, what we're looking for, and what we should be paying attention to. Verify that you enjoy following, and without further ado, subscribe to the channel to ensure you never miss an update. We have a lot to discuss, so we're going to go right in. $76,957 in Bitcoin right now. It has down 6.96% over the last day. The Ethereum, which is 1,482 in length as of right now, it is down 16.5% with both USDT and USDC trading at their dollar pegs, while XRP remains in fourth place at $1.77. It has dropped more than 14.93%. The world we live in is bizarre. Let's be truthful about it. With a total market value of $2.4 trillion, the cryptocurrency market is much below its peak in 2020. From here, where do we go? The question is that everyone wants to know the answer to that crucial question. You have two possibilities. Either Bitcoin will maintain its present range of 76 to 78K, which would suggest a triple tap, or it will rise and bring us back into the mid 80,000 zone. If that occurs, your primary goals on Bitcoin are still 90 and 95K. The reverse would start at that point. Bitcoin will decline if it is unable to maintain this range. I've been preaching about the age range of 65 to 75 on this YouTube channel and in all of my live events for a while now. To be honest, I don't want to discuss whether or not that breaks. Don't let that shatter. Let that be a sign that the bottom is there. Let that be a sign that the bottom is there. Let's now discuss XRP. From here, where is XRP heading? We'll just dive right into charm. This is where we're going to jump around. Yesterday was a hectic week for XRP, all the way down to roughly $60. Now, we've seen this type of thing before. What does it do each time? The weak hands are shaken out, and the strong hands are given a better place. Take a moment to look back. I invite everyone to join me as we travel down memory lane. Examine earlier cycles. Prior to its huge surge, XRP has always experienced periods of significant pullbacks, consolidation, and frustration, as shown in the 2017 run-up, 2020 run-up, and current 2025 cycle. It's not new. If you haven't experienced a 2020 bull run, you are certainly not around 2017 if you were around in 2020. Folks, this is nothing new. This was observed in 2017. This occurred during the crash in 2020. We even witnessed it during the hoopla surrounding the case, and guess what happened each time XRP was called out? It returned even more powerful. We are currently hovering around important support areas. This dip is good for you. It is necessary. Simply put, markets don't rise in a straight line. This is not a collapse, but rather a retest. The difference is enormous. There is no collapse here. It's a retest. From November till the end of November, we went from 50 cents to more than $3. What is the span then? In 6 to 7 weeks, there was a huge increase, nearly 600%. It's time for another test. Like a slingshot, actually. You take a step back, then take off. And what can we see if we zoom out a bit here? The pullback is beginning to materialize. The question is, how far can the pullback go? People, I don't think we're going to drop all the way back to 63 cents. Maybe somewhere around the 120 to 150, 130 to 150 and dollar region, we get some sort of respite. Volume is what we need to focus on. The charts begin to set up when the volume begins to gradually increase. And guess what happens when XRP moves? It doesn't request consent from anybody else. It explodes. Zoom out and examine the chart as I am looking at it here if you're feeling uneasy. Zoom out and take a step back. Here's what history teaches us. We emerge from this stronger, according to history. Do you know what the quiet money is doing? The stacking is happening. At this price, it is purchasing XRP, tweeting about it, creating films about it, and simply carrying out their actions while purchasing XRP in the background and behind the scenes. You will be kicking yourself if you are one of the sellers here because keep in mind the bull is here and XRP hasn't even stretched his legs yet. I put this tweet out now or a week later since it sounds like a t-shirt design in a year, not even in 6. Baby, that's crypto. The diamond hand survival. Do you intend to stay or leave? After that, we received this morning's breaking news. The stock market drop in Hong Kong was the largest since 1997. It's happening everywhere. It has an impact on every market. It's known as the trade war. Tariffs can be called whatever you like. All of the world's main markets are being impacted. Wall Street was rocked by the collapse of the Chinese markets. They say, you better get ready for impact, and then we hear, why would a massive whale alert pop up 47 million? $1,461. Ethereum was long at 20x. Therefore, 32,000 ETH belonged here. Do you believe that this individual, organization, group, or entity is knowledgeable? Perhaps it's better in Trump? What? Hurry up, people. The markets just saw the most bizarre decline. ETH has dropped more than 60% over the past 90 days and 17% in the past day. As of right now, there is no way to stop this free fall. However, a significant investor is losing 47 million on an Ethereum long. Are you implying that they are ignorant of something? They have no idea what lies ahead. What's going to occur? Man, hurry up. I don't think so. Your Bitcoin chart is shown here. Where would you like us to hold? We truly want to hold, though. For us to have our pushback up and go past that $88,000 resistance region, the top of this box is approximately $76,000. We're trying to hang on to that. At the moment, we are seated in support. About 76,678, 625 fell even farther. This is not a region that I think will hold. I think we're going to retest that $65,000 to $75,000 range, probably between 65 and 70,000, which is the region's bottom indication. We want to come out and Cred put this out at that moment. I'm telling you now. He claimed that the parent company is still holding up quite well in spite of the HTF bearish divisions on the XRP Ethereum chart. In the same time frame, the XRP TH pairing has hardly gone lower, while XRP has reached my downside goal of $1.60. It could indicate that XRP is even more powerful than initially thought, and that the XRP ETH pairing won't have a significant downturn after all if we do recover the range above $2 and we're between $2 and $2.20 and the PO3 on the XRP. PUSD pairing plays out. However, the alternative is that XRP breaks out of the current buy zone from here, and that weakness could show up on the XRP Ethereum chart. He's more inclined to go with the more bullish scenario out of the two. In comparison to Ethereum, XRP has shown significantly more impulsive PA before this market-wide fall. This PA